Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Kids TV and the amazing A to Z adventure. I'm Aisha Siddiqa, and today we're going to explore the whole alphabet from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's jump right in.
A is for apple. Our adventure starts with the letter A, and today we're learning about apples. Apples come in many colors: red, green, and yellow. Did you know there are over 7,500 types of apples? Wow! Let's make a fun apple craft. Grab some red paper and scissors, and let's cut out apple shapes. B is for bear. Next up is the letter B. Bears are big and furry animals that live in forests. There are different kinds of bears, like grizzly bears and polar bears. Let's pretend to be bears. Can you growl like a bear and walk around like you're a big, friendly bear? C is for cat. C is for cat. Cats are cute and furry pets that many people love. They like to purr and chase after toys. Can you make a cat sound? Let's see your best meow and pretend to chase a toy like a cat. D is for dinosaur. Now we're at D. Dinosaurs were huge animals that lived a long, long time ago. Some were big and some were small. Let's make dinosaur handprints. Dip your hands in green paint and press them onto paper to make dinosaur footprints. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals and have long trunks. Their trunks help them pick up food and drink water. Let's make our own trunk by using a cardboard tube. Hold it up to your nose and pretend you're an elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. Fish live in water and come in all kinds of colors and shapes. Can you imagine swimming like a fish? Let's do a fish dance. Move your arms like fins and wiggle around like you're swimming in the ocean. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are next with the letter G. Giraffes have long necks, so they can reach high branches. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe? Stand up tall and reach your hands up to the sky. H is for house. H is for house. A house is where we live and stay safe. Let's draw our dream house together. Use your crayons to draw your house with your favorite rooms and colors. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Ice cream comes in many flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Imagine your favorite ice cream flavor. Let's do an ice cream dance. Pretend you're eating an ice cream cone and twirl around with joy. J is for jungle. J is for jungle. Jungles are full of amazing plants and animals. Let's create a jungle scene with green paper and lots of stickers. Put the animals and trees wherever you like to make your very own jungle. K is for kite. K is for kite. Kites are fun to fly in the sky when it's windy. Let's pretend we're flying a kite. Hold your hands up high and run around like you're letting your kite soar. L is for lion. Lions are majestic and have beautiful manes. They are often called the king of the jungle. Let's roar like lions. Can you make a big, loud roar and pretend to have a lion's mane? M is for moon. M is for moon. The moon shines bright in the night sky. Let's create a moon with silver paper and stars. Cut out a moon shape and add some stars to make a beautiful night sky. N is for nature. Nature is all around us, with trees, flowers, and animals. Let's take a nature walk outside or look out the window. Can you find something in nature and draw it? Maybe a tree, flower, or bird. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. Octopuses live in the ocean and have 8 arms. Let's use our arms and pretend we're octopuses. Wiggle your arms around like octopus tentacles. P is for penguin. Penguins are adorable birds that live in cold places. They waddle when they walk. Let's waddle like penguins. Stand up and walk with small steps, just like a penguin. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Queens wear crowns and live in castles. Let's make our own crowns using paper and decorations. Put on your crown and imagine you're a queen or king for the day. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. Rainbows have many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's draw a rainbow with all these colors. Can you remember the order of the colors? S is for star. Stars sparkle in the night sky. Let's make our own star stickers with yellow paper. Cut out star shapes and stick them on your paper. You'll have your very own starry sky. T is for train. T is for train. Trains have lots of cars that move on tracks. Let's pretend to be a train. Line up and make choo-choo sounds as you move around the room. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry when it rains. Let's pretend it's raining and open an imaginary umbrella. Can you move around and stay dry with your umbrella? V is for volcano. V is for volcano. Volcanoes erupt with lava and ash. Let's make a volcano eruption with a baking soda and vinegar experiment. Mix the ingredients and watch the lava flow. W is for whale. W is for whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. Let's pretend we're whales swimming through the sea. Move your arms like whale fins and swim gracefully. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful bars. Let's make music with our pretend xylophones. Tap your imaginary xylophone and make beautiful sounds. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. A yo-yo is a fun toy that goes up and down. Let's pretend to play with a yo-yo. Move your hand up and down like you're making the yo-yo spin. Z is for zebra. And finally, Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Let's draw a zebra with stripes on paper. Make your zebra as colorful as you like.
Thank you for watching our channel.